Once again, we want to take a look at using our systems of linear equations to solve real-life problems. And we're following these same steps, but this time we're going to see problems that give us totals that we have to combine and problems that give us things like those keywords. Is tells us equals, twice means 2 times something, more than means we're adding, right, something plus a number. Less than means we have something and we're taking away a number, right? Times tells us to multiply, right? Or triple would be a specific type of multiplying, right? Times 3. So we might see some of those key words in our word problems today. Miss Sullivan and Miss Clarenbach together have $60. Miss Sullivan has 9 more dollars than twice the amount Miss Clarenbach has. How much money does each have? So first I define my variables. How much money does each have? So the two things I don't know is the amount of money Miss Sullivan has, so I'll make that S. And the amount Miss Clarenbach has. So we'll make that C. My two equations, setting up my equations, that second step. An equation for how much we have together. And then an equation for Miss Sullivan in terms of Miss Clarenbach. So a total together is Miss Sullivan and Miss Clarenbach have $60. So the amount Miss Sullivan has plus the amount Miss Clarenbach has is $60. And my second equation, right, it says Miss Sullivan has, right, so Miss Sullivan has 9 more than twice the amount Miss Clarenbach has. So 9 more than means we need to add 9 to something. So I'm going to have plus 9 at the end. Twice means I multiply by 2 the amount Miss Clarenbach has. So 2 times C plus 9. So Miss Sullivan has 2 times Miss Clarenbach's amount plus 9 more dollars. Right? How much money does each have? Getting them set up is the tough part, right? We've practiced a lot of solving by now, right? So I'm going to go ahead and solve this by substituting 2C plus 9 in place of S in my other equation. Then if I combine my like terms and move my 9 to the other side, right, I get 3C equals 51. When I divide by 3, that means C is 17. So that tells us Miss Clarenbach has $17. How do I figure out how much Miss Sullivan has yet? Well, I go back and I fill in C. So Miss Sullivan has 2 times 17 plus $9. So that would be 34 plus 9. Miss Sullivan has $43. And then, is that reasonable? Well, do they have 60 altogether? Right? If I add these up, does it add up to 60? 43 plus 17? Yeah, they have 60 altogether, and that seems to make sense to me. So I think I have the right answer. I just have to answer in a complete sentence. So my final answer would read, Miss Sullivan has $43 and Miss Clarenbach has $17. So then the last thing I want to look at is just steps 1 and 2 for one more problem. The toughest part is getting it set up. The length of a rectangle is 4 centimeters longer than the width. The perimeter is 80 centimeters. Find the length and the width. right? The length and the width are the dimensions of my rectangle. So defining my variables, the question was find the length and the width. So those must be the two things I don't know. I'm going to say let L equal the length and let W equal the width. And then that second step, how can I write my equations? I'm going to have one equation. Well, it says the length of a rectangle is. So that first sentence is tells me equals. So length is. So my first sentence, or my first equation, is going to be an equation that represents the length. But it's going to have W's on the other side, right? And then my second equation is going to be one for the perimeter. So the length of a rectangle, L, is 4 centimeters longer, tells me I'm going to have plus 4 at the end, than the width, which was W. So W plus 4. The perimeter is 80 centimeters. This is why this one was tricky. Perimeter is 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So I know that 2 lengths plus 2 widths together has to be 80 centimeters. Right? And then I could use substitution to put this in for L and solve to figure out what the length and the width are. But again, setting it up is the tough part. So go ahead and try some of those word problems on your own.